Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we will make this cute little strawberry together, so let's start. So first we will do a magic ring just like this, and then grab our hook, put into the little hole, yarn over, and yarn over once again to make a chain. Then we need to make 6 single crochet. Put our hook in the hole and then yarn over, then yarn over, pull our hook directly. Then we can put a mark on here. So this is our first single crochet, and we will do the slip stitch in that stitch later. Then we need to do 5 more single crochet, put our hook into the hole, yarn over, just like this. And after the 6 single crochet, we pull this little end to tighten it. And then back to our mark place. Here, we put our mark out and then put our hook into the mark stitch. Then yarn over here and then pull our hook directly just like this. So this is our first round. For the second round, we will do 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. We make a chain first, and then in the same stitch here, the stitch we do the slip stitch. We do 1 single crochet first, we put our hook in, and then we can put those little yarn on top of our hook to hide the yarn. And yarn over here, then go through the 2 loops. We can also put a mark on here so we can know where to do the slip stitch later. And then for the second stitch, we do a single crochet increase, which means in the same stitch we do 2 single crochet. This is the first one, and second one we put our hook in and then yarn over and then go through the 2 loops. So in the third stitch we do a single crochet. In this round we do 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase, which means in one stitch we do 1 single crochet, and then in the next one we do 2 single crochet. We just do 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase for this round. After finish the last single crochet increase, we back to our mark place and do a slip stitch. We put our hook in and then yarn over and then pull our hook directly. For the third round, we do 1 chain first, and for this round the pattern is a single crochet increase, then 2 single crochet. So in this stitch, the stitch we do the slip stitch, we do 1 single crochet increase, which means in this stitch we do 2 single crochet. And then don't forget to put our mark on the first single crochet we make. And then in the next stitch we do a single crochet, next stitch a single crochet, and then it's a single crochet increase. We do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And then we do 2 single crochet, and then it's 1 single crochet increase and 2 single crochet. So after finish the last single crochet, we put our mark out, then put our hook into the mark place to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in and then yarn over and then pull our hook directly. So this is our third round. For the next round, we need to do 3 single crochet and then a single crochet increase. We do 1 chain first, and then in the first stitch here, we do a single crochet. Then we can put a mark on the very first single crochet here. And the second stitch is a single crochet. The third stitch is a single crochet. After finish 3 single crochet, the next one is a single crochet increase, which means in this stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. So this is the pattern for this round. We just do 3 single crochet and a single crochet increase. So after finish the last single crochet increase, we put down our mark, then put our hook into the mark place, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then for the next round, we do 1 chain first, and then in each stitch we do a single crochet. We put our hook into the mark place, into the same stitch we do the slip stitch. This is the small one, and then do a single crochet. Remember to put a mark on our first single crochet, and then in each stitch we do a single crochet. After finish the last single crochet, we put our mark down and then put our hook into the mark place, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then for the next round, we need to do 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet decrease. We're here to do 1 chain first, and then in this small stitch, the stitch we do the slip stitch, we do a single crochet first, and then also we can put a mark in here. This is a single crochet, and the next one is a single crochet decrease. We need to crochet only half of the stitch, just like this. This is 1 stitch, and then we need to do 2, just like this. We only need to do half, and then yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. And then we can see when we put this hook, this stitch, the half one, is we do the single crochet decrease. So in this one, in the next full stitch, we do a single crochet, and then it's a single crochet decrease. We put our hook into the center of the stitch, the first one and then the second one into the center, and then yarn over and yarn over, pull our hook through the 2 loops. Then in the next full stitch, this one, we do a single crochet and then put our hook into the next one, then the next one, to do a single crochet decrease. Next full stitch is a single crochet. Next 2, we do only half of those stitches. And over here, and do a single crochet decrease. Next full stitch is a single crochet. In the next 2, we do only half of those stitches with a single crochet decrease here, and then we put our mark down, and here we do a slip stitch. We put our hook in and then yarn over, and then pull our hook directly, just like this. We can leave a long end. Maybe this long is enough. And then you can fill with some little yarn inside if you don't have the filling. I need to close this one. Put the yarn in our needle, and then this is the first stitch. This one, the smaller one, and then we put our needle in, and then we skip the next one. This is the first one we just made, and we skip this one. Come to the third one, we put our needle in only in the center. We just need to do the half of the stitch, and then we skip another one, only half, then we skip it, and then in the next one we do only half, we skip the next one, and then in the next one we do only the half. And then here we can put this little end very slowly. So it will be close up. And then we can put our needle into the center to make it more tight. So it will look like this. And we can repeat that a few more times. So we can cut it. Then we can make our leaves. We do a magic ring first, and then put our hook into the hole, yarn over, and then yarn over once to make a chain, and then put our hook into the big hole, yarn over, then yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. This is a single crochet, and then we put a mark in our very first single crochet here, and then we need to do 4 more. We put this little end here and take out our mark. We do a slip stitch into the mark place here, and we put our hook in, and then yarn over, and then pull our hook directly, just like this. And for the next round, we need to do 3 chains first. First one, the second one, the third one. And then in the second stitch from our hook, this is the first one, this is the second one. We do a slip stitch in the second one. We put our hook in the second stitch from our hook, and then yarn over, and then pull our hook directly, just like this. And then in the next stitch, we do a single crochet. We put our hook in that stitch, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. Then we will do a slip stitch in the very first, in here, in the very first stitch. We put our hook in, and then yarn over, and then pull our hook directly, just like this. We got one small leaf already. We just repeat it to do 3 chain first. And in the center one, the second stitch from our hook, we do a slip stitch, put our hook in, and then pull our hook directly. And in the next stitch, we do a single crochet. Then in the second stitch here, we do a slip stitch, put our hook in, and then pull our hook directly, just like this. So after the last slip stitch, we put our hook into the first leaf, the center here, and then do one more slip stitch down over here, and then pull our hook directly. Then we do 1 chain here, and then we can cut the yarn. So that will be our leaves. And if you want a little hanger, maybe like this, a little string in the center, you can do this. We do chain here, we will do chain here, see if it's enough. In here I did 9 chain, and then we can cut the yarn. We will have something like this, and we put our hook in the center from the back, just like this, and then grab those 2 ends, pull them to the back side. I feel 9 is too much, so I reduce it to 6 chain here. And after put this into the center, we can just simply tie those 2 yarn twice and then cut them. And then we can use a hot glue to connect this part, just like this. So this is how it looks like after glue them. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye, I will see you next week.